Planning a getaway? Explore these top-rated day trips near Memphis, featuring breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and outdoor adventures for all.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Memphis offers visitors an immersive experience through its rich historical landmarks and cultural narratives. Commencing your journey, guests will board a mini-coach bus for a guided tour from downtown Memphis. Embark on this comprehensive bus tour to immerse yourself fully in the distinctive essence of Memphis. Delve into what sets Memphis apart through visits to its most celebrated landmarks: Beale Street, a vibrant hub known as the home of the blues; Victorian Village, showcasing the city's rich architectural heritage; and Central BBQ, where you can savor exquisite barbecue cuisine. A 2-hour guided walking tour of Memphis offers an insightful exploration of its rich historical tapestry. This dynamic metropolis, known for its blend of gracious southern charm with a gritty industrial past, presents itself as a captivating juxtaposition. Step behind the scenes at Sun Studio. Embark on a city tour with Memphis music legends. Experience the vibrant essence of Memphis firsthand during our exclusive behind-the-scenes visit to Sun Studio. Embark on a captivating city tour aboard the nation's soul music bus, immersing yourself in the vibrant essence of Memphis, the undisputed capital of blues culture. Guided by a seasoned Beale Street musician, your journey unfolds with live performances and renditions of beloved classics from Memphis's storied musical legacy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.